If I told you that x has a specific value, would you believe it? Now, many of you may be wondering, does x have a specific value? The answer is yes. X also has a specific number. So what is the number? We will also know where the word x came from and who was the first to use it. Today, I will give you some information that you will never learn in school. So let's start the video today. Now, we first need to know where the word x is used. Actually, it is used in mathematical work, where the value of a number cannot be said to be specific. For example, x plus 1 equals 2. Here we don't know what is the value of x. If we do the calculation, then we will understand x equals 1. You may be thinking now, no specific value of x has been found yet. Wait a moment, and you will know the value of x. To know the value of x, we have to go back a long time. There was a man named René Descartes, who was the first to use the word x in mathematics. Now let's get to the real point. What is the value of x? When René Descartes started using the word x, he thought of it as all the numbers starting from 1 and 2 with x. Today we learned that the value of x is whatever we want it to be, and that René Descartes invented the letter x for use in mathematics. So see you again in another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!